Hello, my viewers. I am Indrajit Parui again in front of you in Parui Academy. Now the time is just 8 p.m. In the previous video, I discussed about the paint, just beginning of the paint, how we open the paint, what is paint, and the many toolbars or the tools, drawing tools by applying which we can draw variety types of paint. Today, I describe you and also show you how we make an apple with the help of just 2 or 3 tools. Basically we use carve. Basically we use carve line and also eraser and some brushes to draw a apple. Before start drawing apple, one things I just tell you, when we applying carve, you must remember if you draw or drag the mouse from left to right, then at first you carve the left portion, then apply on the right portion. And if you drag from right to left, then first right portion, then left portion. Otherwise, the carve line get a peculiar shape. But if you drag the system which I mentioned before, then you must get a proper shapes which you want. So today we basically apply straight line or line and also a curve. To draw a straight line, proper straight line, you just click on the line switch, then drag the mouse from top to bottom or left to right. But when you dragging the mouse, then you must press shift key in keyboard and hold it. Then drag the mouse by clicking bar and also push the left mouse button, then drag. After dragging, at first release the mouse button, then release the shift key in the keyboard. Then the line get proper straight line. Now you watch the video properly. Here I step by step I seeing you how we can draw a perfect apple, and it basically, I hope it basically helpful all the children in between the class of 1 to 3 or 1 to 4 who first time starting learning computer. It's very helpful those students, those children who first time starting their computer journey. So look at the video without skipping the video, watch the full video, and one request, if you like it, you must share it to your friends. Please watch the video without skipping it. And all the parents also, they can also watch this. If they watch this and if you have a computer in your home, I think without going to any center, they learn the paint in home without any help, just seeing my video. yourself. We again meet at 8 p.m. in Parui Academy. I am Indrajit Parui in front of you.